Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of the limited edition Kitmens mixer. Now let's talk about its exterior. It's got a gorgeous matte spray finish that could really give your kitchen that classy pop of color and elevate its standards. It's also got a really cool attachment placement feature. Now let's give it a test with our Swiss meringue recipe. First, separate 6 egg whites into a bowl. Add 2 cups of sugar into the egg whites bowl. Now over a bain-marie, whisk the mixture until the sugar is completely dissolved. Once there are absolutely no sugar grains left, your mixture is ready to be whipped up into meringue. Pour your mixture into the Kitmens mixing bowl and with a slight tap on the LED screen, turn the knob clockwise to increase speed or anti-clockwise to decrease. Now our favorite feature, this personalized plate above the mixer. Engrave your name or your brand and make this mixer truly your own. Back to our Swiss meringue buttercream. Cut 3 cups of butter into cubes. And once your meringue is thick and fluffy like so, add on your cubed butter gradually into the mix. Another slight tap on the LED screen to turn it off. And now let's have a look at our fluffy, smooth and creamy buttercream. Final ingredient, vanilla. And a final last whisk. Looks like it's ready to go. Time to start frosting. And that was our first-hand experience using a Kitmens mixer. Affordable, functional, gorgeous, we love it.